organizing events, but no one's showing up, and you don't have time to send follow-up messages or reminders or respond to questions, you need to tune in for this one. So hello, my name is Christian Jacko, and I'm the founder of Context Solutions, an agency where we help our clients create AI systems to convert more leads. In this video, we're going to be diving into a system which is very similar to one of the previous videos I've made, which is covering how to send automated reminders to attendees of an event. So sending them, for example, a welcome message, then 3 days before event, reminding them again that there's an event, and the day before that they should come prepared. And at the same time, using AI to respond to any questions they might have about the event. So let's dive right in. As you can see right here, we are on ManyChat right here. We're gonna be using WhatsApp for this, and ManyChat is a very handy tool to connecting to WhatsApp. And for example, linking a AI bot to it, or we can directly send, for example, the follow-up messages or the reminders here. The reminders, you can configure it to be, for example, on a certain date. In this case, we're going to configure it every 20 seconds, so not exactly 3 days before an event or 1 day before an event, but 20 seconds between them, so we can actually see it in action right here, right now. So this system is composed of ManyChat, then a sign-up form, which is actually how, we get registered, how we get the actual contact. Then we have a make flow, which is takes that response from before and passes it to ManyChat. And we've got a relevance AI agent, which is going to be our AI agent to respond to any incoming messages. So let's dive right in. First of all, on the sign-up form, right, we have first name, last name, and WhatsApp number so we can actually contact them on WhatsApp. Then we're going to take that exact response from that form, create a subscriber on ManyChat, so directly here, with the given characteristics. So first name, last name, phone number, WhatsApp number. We're going to just paste the same thing here. And we're going to tag that specific subscriber a tag, which is called Context Event. I'm just doing this as a demo, as a demonstration, right? So Context Event doesn't actually exist. I'm just doing this so we can demonstrate it. And Context, of course, is my agency, so there you go. Then, when a new subscriber gets added on ManyChat, one flow gets activated right here. And this is automated event follow-ups demo. It's the welcome sequence with the reminders. So as you can see right here, when a new contact gets added, we're gonna wait 20 seconds. Why we're waiting 20 seconds is to make sure that this specific tag gets updated and this doesn't get triggered before the tag is added onto the contact. This is because a contact can be added also through just a new user sending a message to the WhatsApp number we're going to be using, and in that case they haven't signed up for the event, so we don't want to use that. So here we're going to check if the tag is Context Event, so are they actually signed up for the form? If yes, we're going to send the welcome message. Then we can do another delay, right? We're going to do this 20 seconds here because I can showcase it live. But here in this case, right, this is, for example, a reminder that the Context Event is happening in 3 days. Here we can configure it either as a delay type duration, so let's say between the previous and the next step there's 20 seconds. And here we can configure it to date. On date you can put the exact date you want, right? So for example, 3 days before the scheduled event. Same thing right here. So this is a reminder that next morning there is a day event. Here we can do another wait, or we can do another wait function and a reminder that, hey, this is when it's happening, it's in 1 hour, see you, for example. Or we can stop right here. We can then come back, and we're gonna look at the very important function of replying to questions, right? Using AI. So this is a system I've been using lots in different videos. I've been using it in the video to automate Instagram messages, WhatsApp messages, and the previous video I've made on webinars. And pretty much very similar to this video. Webinar follow-ups, so reminders, right, about, hey, there's a webinar coming up, and also at the same time responding to any messages. If you want a in-depth breakdown of what this specific system does, you can check a video right here where I'll dive deeper into this. I don't want to waste time because I've covered it like 2 times already. So it will just send a message with the, basically when someone messages the WhatsApp number, we're gonna take that message, pass it to Relevance AI, where is our AI agent. Then the AI agent is gonna look at it, respond to it, we're gonna retrieve the response and send it to the person who sent us a message. So here, this is the Relevance AI agent who's gonna actually respond to messages. So here you can see are the core instructions of the bot, which are, well, how it's configured to respond and what it knows. Here are, for example, a couple pieces of information about contact solutions, right? And this is about the event. What is gonna be at the event, where it is, etc. And this is for the context, right? This is, for example, the welcome message we're going to be sending out to every single person who signed up, theoretically, right? This is not an actual event. And we can see right here, there's something very important. Extract data from CT knowledge. This is not just normal text. This is a tool. What are tools? I'm going to show you in a second. And what does this do? So let me save changes right here. Cancel. Yes. Okay. So let me go to tools. Right here. Here we have the extract data from CT knowledge tool. In this tool, we're just gonna, it uses as its knowledge base the information from my website, and we're gonna, basically it serves an intermediary between like the file of information on my website and the actual agent. So the actual agent, you can use this tool to get all the information relevant to the prompt about contact solutions, so my agency. Right. All of that being said, we can now see this in action. So I will sign up to the form right here. So sign up to the form right here. So I'll put first name. So I'll sign up to the form right here. I will put in my first name, so Christian, Jacko, and WhatsApp number to get contacted by the bot. I'm gonna send this over. Now we're gonna run this make flow, which is gonna take the response, put it on ManyChat. And here you go. It went through. We can see on contact, if we update this, a new contact has been added 5 seconds ago, so through that specific event. Now, we in a second, right, we'll get the welcome message. There's my WhatsApp, so we're gonna wait for the welcome message. There you go. So, hello, thank you for signing up to the Cognitive event. I'll let you read the rest. Either way, because it's not an actual event, it doesn't really matter. We're gonna wait for the second reminder message, which we're gonna get in a bit. There you go. So don't forget, the contact event is happening in 3 days. In the meantime of getting the third message, I'll type in a question so you can see the AI actually at work responding to the questions about the event that's going to be coming up. So I'm gonna ask it, what is the event about? Here we go, we've got the third message. So it's just around the corner. The Contact event is happening tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna ask it, what is the event about? And in a moment, we're gonna get the reply. And here we go, we just received the reply. So the event is about how to start implementing AI into your business, especially aid at small to medium-sized business owners. So here you have it, a system that hands off, sends reminders about an event coming up, and allows users to ask any questions they have to an AI bot trained on every single piece of information about that event to, well, alleviate any of their doubts, so we have a maxed out chance of them coming to the event because they have been reminded of it on WhatsApp, which everybody uses and everybody checks all the time, and any of their doubts are now gone because the question they asked it to the bot. Now, that being said, if you would want the same kind of system made for you, simply what you can do is go to the description of this video. You can see our link right there. Just click on that. You can schedule a call with us and we can speak directly about your needs and what we can do for you. That being said, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.